Hello everyone. In today's video you will learn how to disable touch in Windows 11. But this method it's working, tested also in Windows 10 and Windows 8. If you already tried to Google and you haven't found yet a solution, or if you already tried to disable touch from Device Manager and it's not working for you, or if you simply want to disable touch for any other reason, today you will learn how to disable it and enable back on, in case you will later need it. First, you go to Windows Search and you type Run. Click and open Run. Type regedit and press OK. Open second folder from up down, named hkey_current_user. Move down and select folder named Software. Open it. Move down again and search for Microsoft folder. Open it. Move down again and search for WISP folder. Open it. Move down again, select Touch. Now, with folder Touch opened, we move to the right side. Right-click anywhere in this area. New. DWORD 32-bit value. We just created a new value that we have to rename from new value to TouchGate. Two words connected as you see on the screen. Double-click to open the TouchGate. It will open this window where you see you can register a value data. Here if you put 1, touch is on. If you put 0, touch is off. To leave our touch disabled, we will set value 0. Press OK. Close everything. Restart your computer. After restart, your touch will be disabled. If you want to enable back the touch, you will have to follow all those steps. Open the TouchGate value and register as value data 1, press OK, close everything. Restart your computer and touch will be enabled again after restart. If you find that my video is useful, please don't forget to like it. If you like to see more helpful videos in the future, and learn new things, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. This way, you will be notified every time I release a new video. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. I will be more than happy to assist you.